The following is in the book, on page 54. Today we are going to talk about natural selection. First, we will introduce the concept of mutations. Mutations are changes in the DNA structure that happen spontaneously. They make new alleles or forms of the gene they happen in. Some mutations may have no effect on the phenotype. If you have blue eyes and you have a mutation in the eye color gene, it might not even have an effect on your eye color. However, some mutations can be lethal. Other mutations cause a change. Your eye color might change. These don't have to be dangerous or lethal. Mutations increase the gene pool of a population by increasing the number of alleles available. When mutations bring about new eye colors and hair textures or even diseases, the gene pool, or the universal collection of genes, increases. This causes greater diversity and more possibilities of traits for future generations. Mutations in this way can be useful. Allele frequency. It is how often or how much an allele is found in a population. Since brown eyes are more common than blue eyes in the human population, the allele frequency of brown eyes is higher. The allele frequency of brown eyes is how many of these brown eyes we find in the population. If a mutation results in an allele that is advantageous over the already existing alleles, this allele's frequency will increase. In animals that face the danger of being eaten, a mutation that results in stronger leg muscles allows them to run faster. This allows them to survive and gives them an advantage over the other members of the population who did not have this mutation. If it is disadvantageous, it will be removed from the gene pool by itself. In the same population we used in the previous example, if a mutation results in weaker muscles, the animals that have this mutation will not be able to escape their predators and will be eaten first. They will not live to pass on this allele to the next generation. Or the trait will make them less successful reproductively, and they will simply not be able to reproduce to keep the allele in the population. Neutral mutations. Not all mutations will give advantages or disadvantages. Newborn babies have around 100 new mutations in their DNA compared to their parents, and probably none will affect their phenotype. This relates to an earlier example that we gave about neutral mutation happening in the gene that codes for eye color, where the eye color does not even change.